Okay, hi, welcome to Showtunes Republic. Pag-usapan natin tong bawat bonggang bagay.
Ay, maganda yan.
Oo, kasi perfect Pride Month ngayon, no?
Yes.
Yan. So, tungkol saan ba tong bawat bonggang bagay?
Well, first of all, translated version to ng original play called Ever Burning Thing.
Ni Duncan Macmillan.
Yes.
Oo, kasi before it was staged, si John Santos yung gumanap. So,
Yes.
I heard si John Santos din yung gaganap this month, no?
Yes.
Yan. So, it will run hanggang September ata. Yan. So, tungkol saan ba ito?
Tungkol to sa very sensitive topics like depression, suicide, and mental health.
Oo, pero ano yung atake dito? Anong expect natin dito?
Well, ang expected na atake ay merong humor, tapos audience participation.
Oh, maganda yun, no? And of course, may mga emotional scenes din. Pero I hope they catch bawat bonggang bagay. It's a very nice play. It's a very good play.
Yes.